Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is a clean and decorate with me for Christmas, focusing on my bedroom. I've never really decorated my bedroom before for Christmas, but I thought because of the year that we've had, why not? Plus I've got so much decorations that I've purchased from, previous years and also from this year that I can actually use to add to my room. So, that's what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so I'm starting with my bed. I've just washed these covers and I'm replacing them onto the bed. So here I've got my Febreze. Even though the bed covers are freshly washed, I'm just going to spray some of my Febreze fabric freshener over it. Then I'm now just going to give my bedside tables a wipe down, and this faux this faux orchid plant. The leaves always get dusty, so I just use a wipe to wipe the leaves down, and the bowl around it, just keep that all nice and clean. Now I'm going to go in with my Method Lavender Multi-Surface Cleaner just on the surface of my bedside table there. I absolutely love the smell of this. It's just so gorgeous smell and I love lavender. And plus it's not really a strong lavender scent smell. It's more of like a floral kind of smell, which I absolutely love as well. So I'm just giving this a wipe down. Okay, so I'm just going over to the other bedside table. Gonna do the same, take everything off, give it a wipe down. Gonna use my Method spray again on that and just give it a good wipe down. It's got a little bit of dust on there from, well, I haven't got over it this week, but that's all good. So yeah, I'm just giving everything a wipe down really. Just opening my throw to put over the bed. I'm really looking to get a green one to match my cushions. Once Primark opens, I might pop down there and get a green one if they have. If not, I'll just make this one do for now. It just makes the bed look more luxurious when you've got a little throw on it. Now I'm just taking everything off my dressing table to give it a wipe down. I'm going to use my antibacterial multi-surface wipes from Poundland on this, only because they do have a little bit of alcohol in it, and I do have a little bit of makeup on my dressing table, so I want it to be like pure white. Then I'm going to go over it with my Pledge multi-surface cleaner. This just leaves the furniture with a really good finish. I absolutely love this product. Now I'm just going to clean the mirror using this Cleanology Clementine Fragrance Glass Cleaner. I absolutely love this product also. I've had this for ages and it just lasts so long. Other than this glass cleaner, I'm really into the elbow grease one as well. That's absolutely amazing. I use those on my patio doors downstairs. Just giving my little mirror a clean there as well. Just giving these flowers a little dust down as well, because these faux flowers tend to get a bit dusty every now and again, don't they? So it's time now to clean the windowsill. Just open up the blinds. Again, I'm using my Method Lavender Multi-Surface Cleaner just to wipe down the windowsill there. I'm going to do exactly the same on this side as well. Just spray and then wipe. I absolutely love this product. It works so well. Just replace my little clock there. Give that a wipe down as well. Now it's time for the fun bit. This is my full length mirror, which I'm just going to give a wipe down to it as well, using that same Cleanology glass cleaner. I probably should have used the elbow grease one on this because there's little sticky fingers on there from little Oakley. The elbow grease does work better actually on stubborn marks on glass or mirrors. So I'm just dusting down my photo frames on this side of the wall here as well, and then my DIY planter, which I know I did actually promise you guys a DIY of this, which I am actually going to try and fit in before Christmas. It's so lovely, it's so gorgeous. Okay, so my bedroom has had the once over and it's looking really nice and tidy. So now it's time to add some accessories and some decorations just to make the room look a bit more Christmassy and a bit more festive-y. Some of them you might have seen already in my hauls, but I'm just going to show you how I'm going to decorate them in this room. Okay, so these cushions, now these were cushion covers and I picked up in Primark. Lovely winter green colour, lovely texture to it, like velvety, that soft kind of velvety touch to them. So I'm going to be using these on the bed. And then I've got this item up, it's a planter. I'm just going to bring everything a bit closer. There's not a lot, but just a few bits. So you might have seen that I use this Christmas tree in my background. This is from IKEA. And I actually picked this up in a charity shop. So I've actually got a charity shop haul coming up as well. This is all purchased before lockdown. Then I've got my lovely green hexagon candle from Primark. These gorgeous ball bells. You would have seen that I use this in my background on my DIY video. So that's actually from Primark from last year. I'm going to put one of these stags or reindeers as well. This is actually from Poundland from last year too. It's actually from Aldi and it was reduced down to £2.99 from £3.99. So got that lovely wreath there. Well, lovely, well, I don't know if it's a wreath, but lovely decoration there. And again, I was thinking I might DIY this, but it looks quite nice as it is. So that's going to be used in my room as well. Okay, so let's get decorating. I'm just going to use the ball bells and I'm going to place them on the end of my mirror. I've actually got some bead string lights on my mirror already, so I'm just attaching it to the beads there on both sides. Okay, so I'm just going to take the faux Christmas tree, using this planter as a pot for it. And I'm just going to place it in the pot and decorate it. Now I'm going to take my battery operated fairy lights, the wooden star ones, and I'm just going to decorate the tree with it. Then I've got some bees I'm just going to add to the tree as well. And I'm just going to leave it like this for now, but you know, less is more. So I absolutely love how this is looking. And this is how I had it on my display as well. So there you have it. And then I'm just going to place the tree inside this stand. leave it there for now. Okay, so next what I've done, I've just taken one of these saucers from our kitchen. This one's got a little chip in it. I'm just going to use it as a candle stand. So I've got this little wreath that I had from, you know, years ago. So place that on there and then place the candle on it like so. You see how that looks? Really gorgeous. Okay, so I'm running out of time, so I'm just going to style the room, put the decorations up and then show you how it's all looking. Okay, so it's all done. I'm sorry that I didn't get a chance to show you what I've done, like sort of, you know, on camera. But if you can appreciate, I was kind of running out of time. I had to go and pick Oakley up from nursery. So we're going to be doing some more Decorate With Me videos. I'm going to be doing the hallway, Oakley's bedroom, and of course the living room, incorporating the putting up the Christmas tree and so on and so on and so on. So I've used quite a few fairy lights to add some, you know, warmth to the bedroom, and also candles. But of course the candles won't be lit when Oakley's around. You know, I'm not going to leave the candles on at night or anything like that. I'm very careful with candles. It's so amazing how a few accessories can transform a room, because my room is looking absolutely beautiful. Never decorated my bedroom before for Christmas, but I thought, you know, with the year that we've had, why not, you know? So I'm just going to take you around and show you what I've done. I've got the hexagon candle here on the saucer, on the plate that I showed you, with this lovely beading centerpiece around it. Then I've added some lights behind our bed here. These lights have actually been here before, to be fair. I've just put some new batteries in there. So that looks absolutely gorgeous as well. Then I've added the cushions, this lovely wintergreen cushion, this stag one or reindeer one. I can never tell the difference between a stag and a reindeer, but you know what I mean. Then I've put the whole tree inside of this flower pot. And then this gorgeous ball bell kind of decoration. It's similar to the one that I created actually, but on a smaller scale. This is actually from B&M. And as you can see inside, it's got these lovely white Christmas trees, a bit of faux snow there, a little rain there. Absolutely love that. And it does light up as well. So that's how the dressing table area is looking. And then I've also added these tree ball bells. Look absolutely gorgeous on the end of the mirror there as well, but on one on each side. And then I've added some fairy lights around the mirror. Again, I've had these fairy lights around the mirror before, but I've just added some batteries to it. Then I put my eucalyptus wreath up here. I've got my candle lantern just down there. This time I've got my faux orchid flower and my lovely salt lamp tea light candle holder. I should put a candle in there actually. And yeah, that's, oh, and I forgot one thing as well. I've also added this lovely wreath to my wardrobe door as well. Okay, so I really hope this video has given you some motivation to get cleaning and decorating for Christmas. You know, maybe decorate a room that you've never decorated before, you know, something random like I have. And I just absolutely love how my room has turned out. I'm not gonna lie, it's absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, so thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to hit the notification bell also, so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. I have got some amazing content coming your way leading up to Christmas, and it's all good stuff. So share the love guys, keep well, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.